Say you need to flesh out your NPC a little more and you're stuck trying to figure out how to fit his backstory to his motivations and why did he have a giant burn scar on his face and etc, etc, etc. To me, there's 3 things you need to really draw out your NPC. 1, show their weakness every now and then. Weakness is your NPC's flaw, and it can be anything from how they view the world to how they react to certain things in the world. 2, hint at their ambition. Ambition is all about their goals and their dreams, and they don't have to be grand. They just need to be aspirational. And the 3rd thing is, play out your NPC's values. Values are your NPC's code. It's what they live by. It's that one rule that they will never break, like how Superman will never kill somebody, or how Batman will never use a gun. So say, for example, the jovial Sandor Clegane guy that you made up is afraid of fire, wants his brother dead, and believes mercy is for the weak. It's a simple thing to keep in mind and a perfect way to springboard into conversations and banter as you interact with your players, or just to add a little flavor to that 45-page backstory of yours.